One of the most noticeable differences between an English and a Vietnamese adjective is its position. A Vietnamese adjective comes after the noun which it describes. For example, it's a small house. Nó là một căn nhà nhỏ. Or, this is an ancient town. Đây là một thành phố cổ. Another important difference between an English and a Vietnamese adjective is the fact that Vietnamese adjective can act as verbs and therefore do not need to be accompanied by an additional verb. This is the reason why some learners think that there are no verbs in Vietnamese. Vietnamese does have verbs. It's just that when there is an adjective in a sentence, we can rest assured that that adjective also acts as a verb. Because an adjective can act as a verb, it can be negated the same way by using the negative particle không before it. For example, Vietnamese is not so difficult. Tiếng Việt không khó lắm. As we can see in this example, we use so as in Vietnamese is not so difficult and its Vietnamese equivalent is lắm as in tiếng Việt không khó lắm. This is one of the expressions that we can use to intensify the meaning of an adjective. Frequent use of these expressions will make our Vietnamese more and more natural. To learn more about these intensifiers, click here.